Is it the right time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the SPY and providing you with an even more detailed analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, January 4, 2024. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies across the globe today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a potential investment opportunity, giving it a score of 3.32. Now, let's analyze the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a remarkable gain of 8.51%. This means that, on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.2% since it was labeled as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term. This suggests that the price will continue to rise within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 14.01% change in the next 3 months. This could result in a return between 10.87% and 17.22%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a 16.21% change in the next year. This could lead to a return between 5.17% and 18.8%. In terms of price, it could range from $491.51 to $555.21 after a year. Our latest daily update for SPY brings a stronger technical forecast for its ETF price after Thursday's trading. The SPY ETF price experienced a decrease of 0.309% on Thursday, January 4, 2024, dropping from $468.79 to $467.34. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.84%, ranging from a low of $467.05 to a high of $470.96. The price has been fluctuating during this period, resulting in a loss of 1.58% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the volume decreased alongside the ETF, which is a positive indication as volume should follow the ETF. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 31 million shares, reaching a total of 70 million shares bought and sold, valued at approximately $32.93 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the ETF's highest price was $477.55, while the lowest price was $378.76. Currently, the price sits 2.14% or $10.21 below the 52-week high and 2.63% or $12.64 below the all-time high on January 4, 2022, when it reached $479.98. Let's take a look at the signals for SPY, the popular ETF. Currently, the short-term moving average is showing a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, we have a general buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. If the ETF continues to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $473.28. On the other hand, if it falls, there is support from the long-term average at approximately $462.71. Breaking above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while breaking below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. There have been some negative signals as well, which could impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 28, 2023, resulting in a decline of -1.96%. This suggests that further decline may occur until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. The volume of trades decreased along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. It's worth noting that the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023, in the long-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line align in a rare and special combination. This combination is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is showing a sell signal. The pivots indicator generated a sell signal 5 days ago. According to the Bollinger Bands, there was a buy signal 11 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 41 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average recently gave a sell signal 2 days ago. However, the long-term moving average has been indicating a buy signal for 38 days now. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages also supports a buy signal 27 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. When it comes to support levels, the ETF, Exchange Traded Fund, for SPY has some interesting points to consider. Just below today's level, we can find support from accumulated volume at $429.54 and $426.43. It's important to note that when an ETF tests a support level, there's a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $429.54 is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $426.43 and $412.55. However, it's worth mentioning that the SPY ETF generally exhibits controlled movements and has good liquidity. As a result, the risk is considered to be very low in this stock. Let's take a look at the numbers. Yesterday, the ETF moved $3.91 between its high and low, which represents a 0.84% change. Over the past week, the daily average volatility of the ETF has been 0.643%. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $468.79. If you're looking to enter a position, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached. Alternatively, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $429.54. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point with the anticipation of a rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss at $445.25, which is a decrease of 4.73%. This ETF is known for its low daily movements, offering a lower risk profile. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 4 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and an overall favorable trend for the SPY ETF. We believe that the current level presents a buying opportunity and have upgraded our evaluation from hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Our systems have found that the current price of the ETF is undervalued after analyzing volatility and recent market movements. Looking ahead to Friday, January 5th, we anticipate that SPY will open up $1.11 and start trading at $468.45. Before we dive into today's topic, let's remember that trading carries a risk of potential financial loss. It's always wise to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us is a source of information, but it should not be the sole basis of your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment actions. Take a look at our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your opinion. Please comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for the ETF? Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful experience. Sending regards from all of us here at StockInvest.